Hi everyone, it's Therese. I wanted to come on quickly to share the napkins that I've received so far, and Happy Mail, Tina's it might have been on her Facebook or on her YouTube, and I have filmed another video that it will be posted later on. Well, I don't know if it's going to be posted today or tomorrow, but I did another video earlier this week, and I don't know when I'm going to be doing another one. I wanted to get this napkin video up, and because I don't know if I'm gonna come back and make videos. We'll see. But Monday was a horrible day for me and my family. I was ready and getting my Easter cards done, or I was starting on them, and I was going to finish them and get them mailed out this week. And after Monday, I don't have no feeling to craft. I really didn't even want to come on to do this video, but I know that I really did want to share the napkin swaps with you guys. So let's start before this gets too much. Okay, so the first napkin I got from Rhonda Taylor, and she's Tricustomdesigns here on YouTube, and I'll try to have her link down below for everyone. And so this is a napkin swap that Tina hosted, and my hands are shaking, I'm so sorry. Here's one of them. This is so pretty. I love the butterfly. I love the I don't know what kind of flower this is, but it's so pretty. So there's one. Ooh, I like this one. So it's wine bottles, and so really cool. I like that one. And then the third one is this one. Oh, with all the birds. How pretty. Thank you, Rhonda. I really love them. So the next one comes from Kathy Randall, and she's Kathy's Cards here on YouTube, and I did not open this. Ooh, no. Sorry. So thank you. Oh, I did open it on the other side. Oh, well. So here is Kathy's napkins, and life is better in flip-flops. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it's cute. I love the colors. So pretty. That's from Kathy. Here's another beach one. How cute. I love that. Look how cute it is. Cool. And then she sent a fall one. Oh, I sent a fall one too to everybody. I love the scarecrow. So cute. So that's that one. Here's a Christmas one, or a winter one. Doesn't have to be Christmas, but a winter one. Thank you, Kathy. I like it. I love it. And then this one is from Tina Muhammad, and she's starting over. Hey, Tina. Okay, and this is her napkins. Oh, cool. That is really cool. I really like this swap because you just put it in an envelope and send it, and it was only 50 cents. I mean, I didn't get pinged. Maybe because I put a stamp on it before I went to the front desk. So here's another one. That's like a paisley one. So cute. Oh, look at this winter one. How cute. See, I don't have a lot of napkins. That's why I kind of sent everybody the same ones. But look at these. They're all different. I love it. Oh my god, you sent 4, 5. Girl, you're only supposed to send 3. And then there's this one. How pretty is this one? This kind of reminds me of an Italian or like a European architecture. So there's that one. Oh, these are pretty flowers. I love that too. I love them all. They're all so different. So that is from Tina Mohammed, who's starting over, and I'll have everybody's links down below, I hope. And then this one is from our hostess, Tina Massey. Thank you, Tina, for hosting this swap. This was a really cool swap. So let's see. Here's this one. This one is like a snowflake. Let me open it. See if it's a snowflake. Oh, yeah, look at that. Cute. I love that. This one I was going to buy at Dollar Tree, and good thing I didn't because I have one. Oh, look at this one. This one's very pretty with the butterflies. I love the background too. It's that teal color. Look at each one of these. There's not a duplicate, which is so cool. And I love the flower one. Thank you so much, Tina. This was a good swap, and hopefully I'll get the other ladies' packages soon. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's my post office. You know how that goes with the post office. You never know when you're going to get anything in the mail. So yeah, here is my napkins for Happy Mail Tina Massey's napkin swap on Facebook, I think. So look at all these napkins. Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, each and every one, for these beautiful napkins. I hope everybody enjoyed the napkins that I sent out. And I can't wait for the next one. Yeah. So anyway, guys, I'm sorry. I'm not all here. I'm waiting for a phone call to give me the go-ahead, and I don't know if I'm going to be flying to the West Coast in a day or two. As soon as my sister gives me the go-ahead, and I will be on a plane. So anyway, everyone, I'll have everybody's links down below, and yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I hope to be back. Thanks, guys. Bye.